Good morning, traders. Good morning, everybody. This is for educational purpose only and entertainment, where we're gonna battle every day, do trading till we get to where we're gonna get to 30,000, and then we're gonna go live. Good morning, traders. Good morning. Checking the voice. Everything is good. Basically, what we're gonna do. What we do here every day, we paper trade. This way we don't risk our own money. And we'll see how it goes. Good morning. Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming in. We will hash it out and see what happens. So instead of trading our own money, we practice on paper money, and that we can prove that we can trade and we're traders. And we all are traders as long as you stick to this game and you don't blow up your account. You can always come back and trade. Trading takes time. It's the only activities that reward you. It's very spiritual, and hopefully we'll see. Good morning, everybody. I like Mr. this morning. It's kind of in a tight range right here. It's going to open somewhere around here. It's already climbing up. So we'll see how it goes. We're still going to do the concept of the third and the halves. On the bars, we're going to continue with this play today. And I'm going to play our famous music. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys have a good day and good trading day. For us as a traders, we hate the weekends because we can't trade. But now you have the crypto. If that something works for you, you can trade crypto. Here we go. Mr. Opened. It gapped up, so you just gotta fill up this gap. Just think of this whole thing is. Remember the rules, you don't trade the first minute. And see how it runs. Don't rush into the morning, just wait and see what happens. Sometimes I wait the whole 5 minutes because it's so whippy. Let's go. This is the 1 minute right here, and this is the 5 minute. I like trading the 5 minute. Some people like to trade the 2 minute in the morning, but I do like I like to trade the 1 minute. The 5 minutes. I'm gonna take I took Mr. Long. Hopefully give it to us. I don't want it. Usually I don't know why he lags on the fish orders. Takes a minute. Missed that fat play. See, like by the time it takes the profit, always for some reason the first orders doesn't take, it's already late. We're in a pullback. Because they're delayed 5 minutes, so you usually photocopy the trades from the leader one into the part one. I shouldn't be trading the first 5 minutes. Like if you look at this entry right here, 165.74. That's literally $2. It's okay. We get it back. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully it'll pull back because the delay, I checked and figured out why it doesn't do the morning trade, which is the most important to me. You have to photocopy the trades and then they have to download it and like it's sequenced with that's why like I'm like, why is it delaying my trades? Like if this was live on 200 share, we would have made like some good money right now. So we're pulling 170 right now. So I'm gonna take one off the table. See, the same thing is delayed a little bit. I'm gonna exit this whole position if you give it to me. Or we lose all the money. It does give it to us on the top price, so that's good, I guess. Anyway, made like 300 bucks on this play so far because I was like, I started I think with 301. I took a couple of trades yesterday, I lost. So this is what I'm gonna do for the 5 minute bar. I'm gonna put this one right here on the 5 minutes, and I'm gonna put this on the bottom. And I'm gonna be checking the 1 minute. Sometimes I wait the whole 5 minutes. It's so whippy. The YouTube just got stronger all of a sudden. So I'm gonna see how this 5 minutes gonna react in here, inside that 5 minutes, inside that channel. We should have another run on Mr. Hopefully we will. We made like 250 bucks. Not bad for the first 5 minutes. Let's see if we can make some more. What I look for is that 1 minute right here. So basically I go to the 1 minute and I'll just mark the top right here. And I'll mark the top. That represents the 5 minutes here. But I wanted to poke through this one right here. I wanted to poke through this one right here, pull back, and then takes the red, and I'm gonna take it long again. But I'm not gonna do anything right here till it does that. We are in a tight range, as you see right here. But don't do nothing till it breaks. I'm not gonna do anything till it breaks this line right here. I need it to break it up. Break it up like this. Come back with the red right here. Come back with the green. Then we're gonna take 3 bars profit on this play. We'll take it on the 1 minute. So let's see. There we go. You see, broke it on the 5 minute. Broke it on the 1 minute. Here comes the red bar. You see it? We need that red bar to hold right here. Nothing crazy. If it gets taken out right here at the tail when this bar is done, we're going to take it long for 3 pushes. But this bar needs to be taken out. If it's not taken out, we're not playing this. So you look at the 5 minute, but you do it on the 1 minute. If it fails, that's how they trick you right here. And then, like you get whipped in the morning. But if you do this strategy right here, it's much better. And also I divide the bars into thirds. So this is the first third right here. 90% retracement. And 50 to 60% right here. If it holds, 6 to 10 chance of it going up. See, like a lot of people took this long right here. They faked them out. And now they're like biting their tongues hoping this thing will shoot back up. It will, but this is kind of aggressive. We're still on the third, so like the 1 minute kind of scare you. But if you look here, you're still in healthy mode. Don't panic. Drink your coffee, enjoy this trading day. I think it's going to be a phenomenal day. I mean, if you're a trader, you should... A lot of traders, like, you know, you're not going to be able to make like $277 as quick as this. Call it a day and go home. This is the only place where you can trade. The only activity, I mean trading in general, that gives you this kind of freedom. But it does take work, guys. So I'm going to see what happens here. This is how I trade the morning. I keep it simple and extremely easy. See how that right there? We're at the 50 and the 60% right now. Let's see how this thing behaves. If it takes this right here, see on the 5 minute, I look at the 1 minute. If it takes it here, we're gonna take 3 green bars right here. This is our line. I will take 3 green bars on the 1 minute. My stop will be underneath that red bar. Nice. Just do this concept, break the bars into threes, like into thirds, halves and thirds. You can never go wrong. And I usually count to 10. I'm not rushing like into entry. So see, this is just the 5 minute right here. Now they're gonna make you, they're gonna accumulate a little bit more, make their decisions, see what they want to do. Too much crap in here. Let's see if this becomes true. Needs to become reality. It is lagging here, so that's good. That's very good. Very good. So that, see, I accumulated 3 bars. Like if you were to short this big bar right here. So this is the first third right here, and this is the half. So now you're looking for shorts right here. But if it takes this one, we're going to go long. And I'm going to take this long if it breaks this bar. I usually count to 10. Failed again. You see how like the sucker play? That's what they call the fake out. If this one gets retested again right here and goes green again and it holds, we're going to take it long for 3 1-minute bars only. I appreciate everybody for coming in. I really do. Thank you guys. Hopefully we'll make it so entertaining, and that's how trading should be. A lot of people come in here. We're going to take it long, 200 shares. And right away we're going to put our stop right here. Remember, we're going to take it for 3 pushes on the 1 minute. 3 pushes. I was late on the second entry, but it's okay. Let's see if this thing gives us 3 pushes. We're risking a lot of money on this play, 316 bucks. Because I don't like to risk that much, but it's within our 1%. Okay. I'm going to take all the lines off so we can focus on the play now. Here's push 1, okay? This is push 2. Let's see if we get taken out. Hopefully we won't. I'm looking for 3 bars, 3-minute bars right here. Another bar, hopefully right to here. It'd be freaking nice if we get 1 bar right here. I'm not gonna put a target on this. I'm just gonna let it go. Because I don't like the risk on this play. That's basically giving up all the profit that we made. Hopefully it fires up. I'm gonna reduce my risk so I stay in profit at least, even if we get stopped out. See, he kind of did it here in 1 bar, like that was a 2-bar play. All right. My stop is tight. I should have looked at my risk. Should have took one off. Like to give it more room to breathe. Leave it above that line right there, man. I really like this play right here, but I get hit. I hate changing my stop. It becomes a habit. Okay, we got hit on this one. Let's wait and see what happens. Basically lost all the money we made this morning. This is the bar that I was looking for right here. Another follow through up here. Boom, you're out. That was a hard drop right here. But it's still in the upper 30%. So this bar is still holding right here. The correct way to do it is like this. We'll fill up this gap right here. Okay, this is the original move right here. This is your move right here. So this is a very good bar. So let's break it in thirds. This is the first third right here. And this is the half to 60%. Yeah, my drawing is terrible. This mouse will not do nothing. We just fix this up. I truly believe Mister is going to shoot back up. Let's see what happens. I kind of know my levels already. Used to do a pullback a little bit. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Something needs to happen. It might pull back to that 8. Collapse. Let's see something else here. Everything collapsing. Nvidia pulled back. Palantir. Like Palantir, we might take it short. If this green gets taken out, we'll take Palantir. Is in a narrow range. See it right here. Shot down, shot back up, got rejected, shot down, got rejected again. Let's see what happens on this bar right here. Let's see. That out of the way. See, there's another green bar right here. If this one annihilates all this red right here and it shoots up here, there's a big chance this thing is going to continue going up. As of right now, it's trapped in the middle. think it's going to produce another bar. See, you haven't broke that red yet right here. There we go. This might be a good play, guys. I like it. Let's see how this thing is going to develop right here. What's this risk on this one right here? 178, 90, 177.16. Or you can play at freaking need a smaller bar to show up so we can take it short. I might just dump. If this bar gets taken out, we'll take it short. If this level gets taken out, we'll take it long. It's in the trap zone right now. See what happened on Mister. See if it takes this level too. Remember, this bar right here is green. So first third got broken, and that's the 50% right here. That's 60% zone. I think that's why I got screwed up. I'm on the 1 minute. I thought I was on the 5 minute. Wow. What a freaking mistake. I thought I switched it to the 5 minutes. Jesus Christ, man. I mess up your trading so bad. That's why we made that mistake probably. Switch this one to the 10 minute. I like to trade the 10 minutes and the 5 minutes. I was trading the 1 minute. My specialty is the 5 minute. I only like to do the 1 minute only on the first 5 minutes of the day, the 1 minute. Still within that 50%, 60% zone. Let's see what happened to Palantir. Palantir broke through, which is good. Let's hope for a pullback. We'll take it long, 100 shares. But you see how it is on the 10 minutes right here? And this is a massive bar. Like if you're going to take it, it's going to pull back hard. But it is off the 200, it's off this, and the 20 starting to grab. If it breaks this one, this thing could be a good trade all the way to here. Possibility. Somewhere on here. About 50 cents, 70 cents. Just too much resistance right here. It's touching the 20 right here, went below it. We'll see, let it pull back. It's pretty strong. Keep an eye on Mr. I want to see what happens with Mr. Mr. completely collapsed right here. See that 5 minute, it took it off. Went to the 20, so this is just cooked already. You don't want to trade this right now. It's within the 50% zone. Come on, play. Let's go. I was gonna take Google too. It did work. Let's see HUD. HUD slammed down. I'm gonna short HUD 200 shares. Probably 300 already right now. It's a good setup on HUD. I'm shorting HUD 200 shares. Give us $105, be nice. Like this. So I'm gonna take one and I might take one right here if you give it to us. Already did the pull through right here. It's a little bit high, about 50%, I would say. We should have a run down. So this bar is considered red right here. If it gets taken out, it might dump hard down. We'll see. This value gap right here, they gotta fill it up. Or either continue going up. But if it takes it down, they did a rundown and they failed. I want to see if it's going to respect that 8 again or no. See that 8 SMA? They touch it once and it dropped. We'll see if it's going to respect it. It's not going to respect it, we're going to exit it. A poke through is okay. We'll see right now. This is a massive red, man. And I mean, it's just ginormous. It's a wall of red. Unless it just like it does like these, they call them like big bars, no follow throughs on them. But we'll see how this is going to develop right now. If not, it will keep just ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping, and it change into a positive trade. If it takes that red, I might add to it. If it takes this right here. Comes the collapse. If it's a true move, we should produce some red. Here we go. I took another 200 stab at it. Another 100 shares. So let's see if it give it to us. I added another 100 shares right here when it took that, because that's considered a green bar and it got taken out. It's developing nice. Still within that 30% of that bar. So hopefully it'll give us that play. All that green is just fake out rubbish bullshit. This rig is gonna come, it's gonna come fast. One, two, three, four, five. So the move should be right now, any minute. Either gonna go up or down, and that will be the where we're gonna decide to go. Looks like they want to go up. Let's see if they'll respect that 8 again. Needed to slam down hard. That's what you want to see. That's good. It's a good sign. Second test. Beautiful. It's all neutral bars, basically. Right where we started, 383. I think that's where we started this morning. $3,083. Hopefully this one will turn green for us. What do you guys think? Is this gonna go green or red? What do you guys think? Are we gonna get this play or no? Just right, red or green? It's taking its sweet time. market lately been like this. It's just like it goes boom, boom, and it just dies. It just go to sleep. There's something I want to tell you guys. Tuesdays and Thursdays are usually a trend days. So if you see a trend catching on Tuesdays or Thursdays, you should be aware of it. Especially Tuesdays and Thursdays. Remember, trend days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. This thing give us a freaking bucks at least. It went to sleep. It's holding that upper. If this bar didn't produce nothing, we are at that moment right now. I might reverse my position completely. I'm not married to this stock, so. But the bias is to the downside, so. Beautiful. And it did drop the minute you said that. There we go. Let's go, baby. I'm hoping it's not in the channel. You just keep going up and down and just type. In the 80s, right on top of it now. It should drop more. At least retest this. Got double dip. Come on, Hood. Hood is a beast, bro. It should like... That's more than one bar. I don't like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is bar number 6. That's the bar that tells you, hey man, boom. Usually the market accumulate in 5 to 6 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 5th bar, it do a direction. And what we need to happen here is a solid red bar. Not another tail. Need to go full red. And they usually move the last minute of every we'll see. That's why I'm going to take 100 right here if it drops right to here. My first profit target is right here. Hopefully will. There we go. Usually the drops are violent. That's why I like to short. Your money comes fast. Dump hard, baby. Come on. Well, I'm gonna take one. I usually take one out every time I see $100. So we took one off the table. We reduce our risk. Let's see if we hit the second target right here. I do wait on them. I like to take 2-1, 3-1 on these plays, and this is a good play right here. I think we're going to hit that target. Because if you think about it, our average price is 116.50. If we can get like 115.71, that's literally a dollar drop. What I usually do, depends what mood I'm in. Like, I mean, you have to be like that. I mean, take profit on 2, put it to break even, and let it run. I want to see if it's going to respect that 8 again. HUD is one of my favorite stocks to trade. Been trading it for almost a year now. Every time I'm losing, I go to HUD and it flips the table for me. It produces. Mr. should have had a second run, but I didn't know it. I was looking at the 1 minute while I was trading. Like I was thinking it was the 5 minute. And the 1 minute have a lot of noise, so I miscalculated my risk and everything, and I gave back $316 on that play. The money they gave me early in the morning. You guys see the 200 right here? If this jumps up here, it might fire like a cracker all the way up. That's HUD for you. I'm just out right there, man. I'm not gonna, because it's gonna be they're gonna whack the living hell out of you. So we're risking $38 on this play total. So it's break even basically. We made $50 and we're risking 38. It shouldn't break that 200 easily. But if it breaks, it will take it long. But the bias is to the downside. We do need a little bit of volume coming in for this move to develop. See how you have tails right here? You got to be aware of these tails. Got rejected, rejected, rejected. How many times you got to get rejected before you say, hey man, I don't know about this. You should have, like this bar, if it was solid red, I wouldn't be scared right now. I'll be like adding to this position. But I don't like this rejection 3 times. It's trying to tell you something. Only way this proves itself with a solid red fat bar. You don't want no tails, nothing, just a solid red bar. Oh yeah, Mr. is a beast. I love Mr. Oh bro, if you were trading Mr. like 3 years ago or 2 years ago, you will put $10 and you'll make like $200-300 on $10 on 10 shares. That's how crazy Mister was. One time by a mistake, I entered like 200 shares. In the blink of an eye, I was up like $375. It was violent. Like it moved $7, $8. Like boom. I used to swing trade it only. Like when it dips hard, I just buy it and I would see like 1,000, 3,000, 4,000 losses, and then it shoots back up. The second day you wake up, you're making like $4,000 or $5,000 on 100 shares, on 50 shares, 25 shares. This is what I'm talking about. Here we go. This might be the sucker play right here, guys. I want this red to be taken out. This little baby right here. So now they're telling everybody right now, if this got taken out, like this is gonna dump hard. If this bar gets taken out, this green gets taken out, everybody gonna pile in on this. We'll get our play. If it gets rejected, we're screwed. Oh yeah. Come on, take that green, take it. Oh my God, bro, it's flat. There we go. If it takes that green, this is gonna be a massive dump. Here we go, it took it. Let's see. I haven't taken it, I mean like a little pokey, but we'll see. Test number one. Here comes test number two. This should be the powerful one. Slam through it, go through it. Let's go, baby, let's go. We gave you the monies. We have faith in you. I mean, you see the setup, like all you can do is just, it's out of your control. All you control is your stops. If it works, it works. You could have like 10,000 traders and they all switch long in one day. Like, I mean, they change their mind. Don't ever think it's your fault or whatever. As long as you follow your trading plan, you should be good. If we make $1 on this trade, it'd be beautiful. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Finally. Hopefully it doesn't yank back on this support right there. If you get rejected here, it's a problem. There we go. Should break this tie here. That's the ultimate one. See, got rejected again. Hard. Got pulled back. Let's see. I hate doing this. Watching it every minute by minute. It sucks. Okay, this might be going up, guys. I might take one off. That's the third tail right here. All you're risking $19 on this play. Just don't like this rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Robinhood might want to fire up. If this bar turns green, I'm out. Oh yeah, it's an even number, you're right. That's why I put my buy order at 1571, because Robinhood usually shoots under that 16 by 24 cents, 20 cents, 24 cents. So you can raise it up a hair, but I doubt if we're even gonna get it. But it's still respecting the 8, so it's good. $19 is nothing. We'll come up ahead on this trade. Just the amount of rejection we're getting. So you got rejected 3 times. So I'm going to exit this position right here. Okay. Possibly I might take it long to the 20. If it cracks that 200, we'll take it to the 20. Look at that rejection. You see, they're all right here. They all got rejected right there, man. This is your zone right here. And possibly it might go into a channel. This is the second channel right here. If it's in a channel, be just bouncing back and forth. And the reason I stopped this trade, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You literally have 12 bars. 12 5-minute bars. That's just too much. Should have done something already. When you stay, like when you get into space that much and nothing happens, usually the opposite will happen. I'm gonna take it long, 300 shares actually. I'm gonna add to this position. I'm taking it long. See how much I risk. About $120. If you make $100 with exit, we'll take one off. $136, not bad. It's a good play. I think this bar is going to have a follow through. Just the green just took out a bunch of red right here, so if we can get to that 20 right here, be a good play. If it's in a channel, it should go back up here. See, I told you, man, keep stopping and going, stopping and going. There we go. We made money on the first trade. Let's see if we can make money on this trade right here. Here's the 8 on the 10 minutes. That's what it's been respecting. So hopefully cracks through it. Boom! Goes to here. I do like this play. I try to follow the 20, whatever. If the 20 is still dipping, I'll drop my stop below the 20. It's less money, it's okay, but I know my target's gonna get hit. There we go. Target got hit, which is good. Let's see. Could have taken it right here too on the 10 minutes, but see where the channel is right here. Now we want to see if this is a true channel, if it's gonna push back all the way to here and keep doing that all day, or this is gonna break through this and just keep ripping. And remember, on the 5 minutes, it's underneath that 200 right here. I'm gonna wait till this bar is finished. Let's see what Mr. did. Look what Mr. did, like it. Oh, that's nuts, bro. Wow. These people got eaten alive. A lot of people gonna exit here. They're in a lot of pain. Unless Bitcoin is ripping. If Bitcoin is ripping, it might continue. It's just correlated with the Bitcoin. A lot of people gonna exit here. Everybody that bought here. Ah, this is a ginormous drop. That's literally, everybody got whipped. 164. $159. Jesus Christ. Whoa. It's pretty strong. We'll see how it develops. Same thing here. See, like on the 10 minutes, it just slammed into that 200. And let's look at this move. Like the way I do it, I like to do it this way. So this is the bar right here. It dropped all the way to here, right? So this is the first third, we will say, right here. And I don't know about that. This is the first half. First third. And that's the half. This is the 60% zone. This is very critical zone right here. Need to break this zone for us to confirm that's going up. But if this is a true short, should bounce back down. Let me look at MU. Now we're in the trap. MU, wow, beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. A good play to the short. Pull back a little bit more. You don't want to short this one right here. It's right on the 200. What is it going to do? It's going to go up. That 10 minutes saves so much lot. It saves me from a lot of trades. Google continue. Google fizzle too. I like this drop, it's nice. It's right here. So it might shoot back up. Like Hood. Let's see how Hood is going to do. Let's see how this bar is going to develop. There's that third, and there's that 50%. Even on the big bars, you do the same exact play. You don't deviate.
Your steps are still ahead. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
Oh, beautiful. See how it's going to handle this bar right here. See, right now it's tired. It's going to run all the way to here. That's 80% of that bar. Might pull back. I want it to pull down to here. I'm gonna take it long. If it pulls to here or here, and it holds, that's a powerful bar off the 200. But also there's this thing that like, don't get tricked into that. Like whenever you see a big bar, it bounces off the 200 by 2 bars. Don't think this thing gonna go out long. It always short it after 2 green bars. Like you have a massive red, breaks the 200, and then you see 2 green bars. Wait, either take them long, but only take profit on 2 bars and short it again. This just happens countless times. This play, if you look back at data and see like powerful crash like this, slam into the 200, it'll fire back up. Everybody thinks, oh, the 200 have protected it, is going to shoot back up. It will shoot by 2 green bars and it will violently drop again. But this looks like it's a powerful play. We might have Robinhood trending today if everything works out. But right now we need to see this right here. This is just, see how it's in the middle of nowhere. I need it to pull back to here and hold. And you see how the 200, like when you see the 200 slanted down on the longer time frame, that means it is a short from previous day. It been shorting. So you only look for one leg, and that's exactly what just happened today. It gave us that one leg, the final leg, and it shot up. I'm gonna take this long, 200 shares, because when you see the 200 slanted, we did came up from the previous time with a short. That's a concept I learned from trader, that if you come in the morning and the 200 is slanted, do not look for 2 legs, and that's why this collapsed, because it's already short from the previous day. It's basically cooked. There's so much stuff that you need to follow up on to, like, be aware of. It comes with experience. If this cracks this one right here, this might be violent move up. I'm gonna hold this trade to here. I think we're gonna continue going up. Just gonna be a little bit of accumulation right here. We got the 8 pointing up, we got the 20, and the 200 beneath us. So let's see if it's gonna hold this zone right here. If you respect this zone, we're golden. That's like if you look at this line also, that's the 50% right here. Now it becomes the opposite. If this bar gets taken out, guys, right here, man, I'm going to add to this position. This will be like, my God, I'll make my 600 bucks and get out. If this bar reaches right here, bet you I'm gonna take it long. I'm gonna add to this position. This will be a beautiful play. Go, go, go. I need that to hold. Push up a little bit more. That would be an awesome play, yeah. All right, let's see if it holds. If it closes anywhere near there, man, I'm adding another 200 shares to this play. No ifs, no buts about it. I'm not gonna hesitate. I'm not gonna double think it or nothing. As long as it stays up there, do not collapse. Not much time left on this play. Still have time, 3 minutes. There we go. Like. I need some rush music, man. I hate soft music. I like to battle. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Boom, boom. Far up, yeah. Hell yeah. 196 bucks. I'm gonna take one right here. I'm gonna take another one right here at the new high. Keep going, Robin Hood. You're the man. One more push, one more push. Big one, come on. Boom, boom. We're taking two right here. If it cracks through that, I'm going to take another one. Nice bar. Do the same thing. Boom. First third right here. And the half is right here. I'm gonna take one off. Oh. We're up like $400 for the day so far. I'm risking $74 on this play. I don't know what's gonna happen, so I'm just gonna put it at break even. this thing might keep going. Got a good. Let that 100 share rip. I love it. Literally making $1 on this play as of right now. I would sell it at a new high right here. I'd exit this position right here. That's a freaking, my God. Wow. Absolute beauty. Hit that target, baby. Come on. Let's go. Hit that target, Hood. Don't be scared. I'm dropping a hair. Because it's way up there, man. Way up there. Come on, baby. Push through. Push through, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Make that $500. That is an awesome trade. Hit that target. Don't be shy. Oh, almost there. Go for it. Punch. Thank you. Boom. I love it. Woo! Nice trade. See how that took it with violence right here? That's why I don't want to miss on that. I told you it's going to fire up like a... Never you see a massive bar get whacked by another green bar, you better know who's in charge. You're going to know like the big boss. Greens are the big boss. Buyers came in heavy. They just killed those shorts, annihilated them. They didn't learn their lesson right here. Whenever you see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... I reversed here, we made some profit here, but like I said, I do the same thing in the moves. This might be a very powerful play, but it's already at the new high right here, so it's kind of a little bit tired. You just gotta let it rest a little bit. They might keep ripping, I don't know. Tesla's doing good too. So we're up like $520 for the day so far. Let's see, mister. Oh yeah, keep going. MU in a hard spot. Nvidia. Wow, what a short. Palantir. I forgot about Palantir completely. It dumped again, yeah. I see Disney. See how Disney, like the same scenario here. red bar, green bar, boom, took it off again. Right there, see it? Boom. 8 is in control, it's near the 20s. Beautiful trade. This might get retested right here. That's 78 cents to 11 cents here, so there's a little bit of juice in it. You can put your stop right here. You're risking tiny amount of money. You know what? I'm gonna short this. I'm not gonna give it any breathing room. Just gonna risk this much on it. Why did this switch to one share? I'd love to know. Don't care, man. I have no idea what's going on. All I know, I need to sell this position as soon as possible. Sell it. So if you have almost 263 shares and we're risking $51 on this play, so let's see. Come on, Disney. Disneyland, man. We're all gonna go to Disneyland today. Everybody's invited to go to Disneyland. If Disneyland is willing to give us the money to go. The most rip-off place. You take your kids and you just stay broke for the next 10 years taking them to Disneyland. I hate that place, man. It's so expensive. Ridiculously expensive. Have you guys, any of you have seen that Robinhood trade? There we go, Disney. It's giving us some juice. Come on, Disney. I'm gonna take some Disneys off. Just not liking that 20 pointing up that hard. Do another red Disney. That might be a fake out. We're in profit territory, so we don't give money back now. We're kind of late in the day. So I'm risking 19 bucks on this play. I'll play it. I know I'm comfortable losing $19 on this play. If this slams down and it keeps going down and it retests this right here, yeah. Put my profit right here. It might redo a retest right there. It's about 45 bucks on 19 bucks, 2 to 1. That's not bad. Ugh. Disneyland. I don't like to trade these stocks. I like momentum. I like volatility. It's just like they bored you to death, man. But if you're starting out, I would highly recommend trading these stocks: Disney, Exxon, Cisco. You learn a lot from them. Because it's slow pace, you can really see your trades in action. See, that's why I didn't like that 8 pointing up. I mean, overall is down, but like I said, it's slanted already. It's the 200 is slanting. They've been telling you like we've been going down hard, so it's like there's no juice in these moves. If it happens, yeah. If you like, look here. You were to look here. If this thing can go the other way, like we're supposed to do, yeah. If you take it right here, yes. But it's already slanted, that 200. It's already slanted on the 10 minutes. So it's most likely it's going to shoot back up. It is just beyond oversold. And that's why you see the, like these big spikes right here. This is a good run right here, but it took forever. How much is that? Let's say you took this one right here. Even you're supposed to take it right here. This was a great play right here, but it failed. $112, and it dropped. $11.79, not bad. Wasn't a bad play. Right now we're gonna ride Disneyland. We're gonna ride Disney all the way down. If Disney collapses again. If not, we're risking $19 on this play. I think I'm gonna get. Just don't like it for some reason. I think I'm gonna donate $19 to Disneyland. Watch it proves me wrong, and it keeps going down and down. We're almost up 4,000, so getting close to that goal. Slow and steady. Win the race. Okay. There we go. It's flattened. See like how this big bar right here is not producing anything? This bar did not produce anything. This bar did not produce anything. Let's see. It's just too much freaking... Can't see anything. I don't know how, I'm thinking about just if they have like a freaking thing where you can stretch these, like, I need them here. I don't want them right here. I don't know if you guys know if you can do that or no? Anybody knows? Yeah, we're gonna donate to Disneyland. You know what, I'm just gonna exit this. I'm out. Let it rip, I don't care. You know what? Never trade your thoughts. Trade what you're looking at. Never trade your thoughts. Remember that. You trade your thoughts, you're screwed. Trade your setup. Do not trade your thought. That's one of the biggest problem in trading. See, I was going to take that off and it continue going down, but... Commit to your setups. When it is overextended, it's just choked to death or literally. bum, bum. We're just wasting time on this, guys. I'm out. I'm done. Don't care. Oh, that's a beast right here. This is a monster. So, shot up, shot down, went flat for a year. Came back here with vengeance, broke that 200. Might shoot back up here. On the 10 minute, looks like it's trapped, but it's gonna go down more. It will go down more. Anyway, guys, thanks for everybody that showed up today. I might take a couple of more trades for the day, but just for the video, I don't want to stay too long for the live. We've been here for about an hour and a half. Thanks for taking time out of your life and being in my trading room. I really appreciate everybody that came in today. I really do. I hope you learned something today. And we're up $3,642 for the $30,000 challenge, for the paper challenge. So, and then we're gonna turn this account into live account, and we're gonna start trading live in the same room and everything. Thanks for everybody that showed up today. I really appreciate you coming into the room. I hope you learned something new today. And let's grow our knowledge together.